What are the requirements to make WhatsApp free international video calls?
Hey everyone! Today, we're going to delve into the requirements needed to make free international video calls using WhatsApp. It's easier than you might think, and with just a few steps, you'll be connecting with loved ones across the globe.
What is WhatsApp?
WhatsApp is a popular messaging app used by billions worldwide. Beyond text messages, users can make voice and video calls, share media, and even use it for group chats.
Do I need to pay extra for international calls?
The beauty of WhatsApp is that it uses internet connectivity. So, as long as both you and the person you're calling are on WhatsApp, the call, be it national or international, is free. You only need to care about your data usage, especially if you're on a limited data plan or if you're using mobile data.
What are the key requirements?
1. Smartphone or tablet. WhatsApp is primarily designed for mobile devices, so you'll need one to get started. 2. WhatsApp application. Ensure you've downloaded and installed the latest version from your device's app store. 3. Internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial, especially for video calls. Wi-Fi is recommended for the best experience. 4. Recipient's WhatsApp number. To call someone, they must also have WhatsApp installed and set up. Ensure you've saved their international number correctly in your contacts. 5. Permissions. Grant WhatsApp the necessary permissions to access your camera and microphone for video calling.
How do I start a video call?
1. Open WhatsApp on your device. 2. Go to the Chats tab and select the person you want to call. 3. Tap the video camera icon on the top right corner. 4. And voila! You're now making a free international video call. Thanks for joining us today. With WhatsApp, connecting with your friends and family internationally through video calls is a breeze. As long as you have a stable internet connection, the world is just a tap away. We hope this guide was helpful, and happy calling!